Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B18DB indicates a failure involving the left side blind spot information BSI radar unit, which has detected a malfunction in the audio navigation unit. This system is crucial for enhancing driver awareness, especially in blind spots. The BSI radar helps to monitor surrounding vehicles, ultimately aiding in safe lane changes and maneuvers. When a fault is detected, the radar unit registers this issue and stores the diagnostic trouble code, or DTC. The primary function of the left side BSI radar unit includes utilizing sensors to detect obstacles and relay information to the vehicle's audio navigation unit to alert the driver. If the audio navigation unit fails, it can significantly impact the functioning of the BSI system, leading to potential safety risks. The DTC B18DB specifically points to an issue with the left side blind spot information radar unit and its interaction with the audio navigation unit. The left side BSI radar unit is located at the rear left side of the vehicle and is responsible for detecting vehicles in adjacent lanes that may not be visible in mirrors. In conjunction with the audio navigation unit, which is typically situated in the dashboard, this system ensures that the driver is made aware of potential hazards, including vehicles in their blind spot. The malfunction detected by the BSI radar suggests that it is not receiving correct feedback from the audio navigation unit, which could impair overall vehicle safety functions. Identifying the full extent of the interaction between these components is vital for accurate diagnosis and repair. Several factors may contribute to the occurrence of DTC B18DB. One prevalent cause is poor connections within the wiring harnesses linked to the left side BSI radar unit. These connections must be secure to ensure data integrity. Another common problem is loose terminals, which may compromise the electrical signals necessary for the radar unit to function correctly. If the left side BSI radar unit continues to be disconnected or improperly connected, it won't operate as intended. Lastly, issues with the audio navigation unit itself can also trigger this dereliction. If it is malfunctioning, it may not be able to communicate properly with the BSI radar, and thereby it contributes to the DTC being set. The symptoms associated with DTC B18DB can significantly affect vehicle operation and the driver's experience. A common symptom is the illumination of warning lights on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a malfunction in the BSI system. Additionally, there may be instances where the BSI system provides inaccurate alerts, potentially misleading the driver about surrounding vehicles. This can create a false sense of security, leading to unsafe driving situations. Furthermore, failure in the audio navigation unit can disable functionalities that clarify blind spot alerts, leaving the driver without critical information. Recognizing these symptoms is vital for timely and effective servicing of the vehicle to maintain safety. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B18DB involves preparing the vehicle for diagnostic checks. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. Keeping the system in this state, it's important to wait for at least 5 seconds. This allows the vehicle's electronics to initialize properly and enables the self-diagnostic systems to run critical checks on the audio, navigation, and radar units. This preparation step is crucial as it sets the stage for detecting whether the issue persists post-initialization. Failing to properly start this troubleshooting sequence could result in skipped or incorrect diagnostic interpretations. In this step, you must carefully inspect the wiring harness and terminals associated with the left side BSI radar unit. Begin by checking the connection points for any signs of poor connectivity, which may lead to signal malfunctions. It's vital to confirm that all terminals are securely attached and there are no signs of corrosion or damage that may affect the performance. Loose terminals can often be an easy fix, but may lead to significant problems if left unchecked. If abnormalities are found, repairs or reconnections will be necessary to restore proper functionality. This step ensures that the communications between components are functional and reliable, facilitating effective system operation. The next step in troubleshooting entails a complete inspection of the left side BSI radar unit itself. Assuming that previous tests on the connections and terminals have indicated normal conditions, you will then focus on diagnosing the radar unit for faults. This component may be the root cause of the issues indicated by the DTC. A thorough inspection involves checking for any physical damage, moisture intrusion, or electronic faults that may not have been visible earlier. Conducting tests on the radar unit helps ascertain its operational integrity. If it is confirmed to have faults, it will require repairs or replacement to restore vehicle safety systems. After performing the necessary repairs or replacements related to the left side BSI radar unit and the audio navigation unit, it is essential to conduct a final verification of the repair. This involves checking to ensure that no DTCs are stored in the vehicle system, specifically confirming that the B18DB code does not reappear. Importantly, verify the proper operation of the blind spot information system as well. It should now be functioning correctly. Test various scenarios to validate that alerts are correctly provided for blind spot detection. This final check ensures that the repair was successful, allowing the driver to operate the vehicle confidently with functional safety features. To mitigate the chances of encountering DTC B18DB in the future, regular preventive maintenance is vital. Establish a routine to inspect the left side BSI radar unit and its connectors as part of the vehicle's scheduled checks. By being proactive, you can identify and rectify potential issues before they evolve into significant failures. Additionally, monitoring dashboard warning lights or alerts can serve as an early detection system for developing problems with the audio, navigation, and radar units. Regular maintenance not only extends the lifespan of these components, but also enhances overall vehicle safety. In conclusion, the DTC B18DB provides critical insight into issues affecting the left side blind spot information radar unit due to its communication with the audio/navigation unit. Understanding the role of each component helps emphasize the importance of systematic troubleshooting to identify issues. Procedures such as connection inspections, terminal checks, and comprehensive unit testing are essential for resolving the error. Implementing regular preventive maintenance practices is equally important, ensuring that systems remain functional and minimizing future risks. By staying vigilant about vehicle diagnostics and repair, drivers can maintain a high level of safety and performance within their Honda Accord. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.